Hi guys, this is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you are here. Well guys, I have my Peyton subscription box from Goldmine and Coco. I wanted to share it with you guys, so I've already opened the package. Let's go ahead and get started. Ooh, I sort of seen what it was. Let's look at the sticker kit first, okay? All right, this is so cute, you guys. Okay, I don't think we got like a card or anything that describes the theme, but pretty much we know that Peyton is a fashionista today, okay? And these are adorable. Look at this, guys. And I absolutely love this because I love getting the different stickers she has of the various themes of fashion that Peyton wears. So adorable. And so I just love it, from the purse to the dresses to the shoes to the hats. Look at this one, Be Happy. Oh, this one is so elegantly cute. And I just love all the styles of Peyton. And so you basically get one set here and you get another set there. So I love that. Let's take a look at the neck. Woohoo! Peyton got some braids and weave, y'all. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And so I love it because I got one of her trunk sticker sets with some of these outfits, like this one. I think I got this one and this one. And so now I can put my doll sticker along with the trunk set sticker, which is cute. Oh, look at this one. I love it. So cute. Oh, I have that one too. Oh, these are so cute, yeah. So again, you get a set here and then you get a second set at the bottom. So cute. Love it. And some of these look like they're repeating from the other pages. Oh, look at this lime green one, you guys. So cute. I love it. Oh, these are, oh, look at her. She's so cute. Oh my gosh. These are absolutely cute. Yes, honey. I love it. Now I gotta go back through all my trunk sticker sets. Oh, look at her. That's cute. That is so cute. It says brown. Maybe it says brown sugar. I can't see the second word. Can you guys see it? Maybe it'll magnify more there. Adorable. I love it. So cute. I love this. Usually we get a lot of functional Peyton stickers. There have been like a lot of variety of stickers that we've gotten with Peyton, but for the most part, like the last one was more like a spring cleaning theme kind of sticker set. We got an exercise one time, a holiday one. I can't remember what that was mixed in with, but I do remember Peyton as Santa Claus. So we get a lot of variety of stickers, but this is I like this set. It's just strictly doll stickers. So very cute. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, let's look at the next item that we get, which is sort of like the bonus item. Oh, the charm bracelet she talked about on one of her lives on IG. And so you get the bracelet. And oops. And be careful when you open it, because you also get the 4 little ringlets for the charms. So I'll have to take time to assemble this all together. Here is Peyton like at a spa. Can you guys see that? Let me put it here. So she's at a spa. So cute. And this is Peyton working on her laptop. And then this is Peyton like, I forgot the names of these paintings, but I have these stickers as well. You know, she got her hands crossed and she's like, whatever kind of thing. So cute, right? This is one of my favorite paintings with her sticking out her tongue. I have a few sticker sheets of that. Peyton sticking out her tongue with one of her eyes winking. Love that one. And then here's Peyton planning. So that is cute. So you have to assemble it together a little bit, but that's okay. And it's going to take me a little time to do that, so I probably won't do that right now. I won't do it right now. But that's cute. So you get the set to assembling the bracelet together. Very cute. I love it. So cute. Can't wait to put it together. So how fun is that? You get the charm bracelet, you get your sets of your Peyton dolls in a variety of styles, right? Cute. So if you would like to subscribe to the Goldmine and Coco subscription boxes, there's 2. There's the treasure chest box, and then there's the Peyton subscription box. Use my link down below. You'll save a percentage off of your purchase. On her website, she has monthly changes on her website as far as the doll collection she has. And this is a wonderful shop to support. She's doing big and exciting things. And so I'm just so happy to be a part of this Goldmine and Coco crew, I guess you could say. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I look forward to sharing more with you. Until the next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification buttons. Bye.